How to file prior year tax returns with the IRS.
Hello there. We all know tax season can be a bit daunting, but it becomes even more so when you realize you missed filing a prior year's tax return. Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to file prior year tax returns with the IRS.
Why would you need to file prior year returns?
It's not uncommon for individuals to miss a year or more of filing. There could be several reasons: personal challenges or emergencies, financial struggles, simple oversight. Whatever the reason, it's essential to address the oversight, as the IRS might impose penalties, and you could miss out on refunds.
Which form should you use?
To start off, make sure you are using the correct forms for the year you are filing. The tax laws change yearly, so using the wrong year's form can lead to inaccuracies. For individual tax returns, use Form 1040. Ensure you get the specific form for the year you are filing. For instance, for taxes from 2019, get the 2019 version of Form 1040.
Gathering necessary documentation.
Before you begin, gather all necessary documentation: W-2s, 1099s, or any income-related documents for the year in question. Any documentation of deductions or credits you'll be claiming. Records of any tax payments or estimated tax payments made during the year. Tip: if you've misplaced any documents, you can request a transcript from the IRS or contact your employer for copies of your W-2.
Filling out and submitting the form.
1. Complete the form. Using the documents you've gathered, fill out the tax form accurately. 2. Double-check. Always ensure that you double-check for errors to avoid any future discrepancies. 3. Submit the form. Unlike current year returns, which can be e-filed, prior year returns must be mailed to the IRS. Make sure to send it to the address provided for the specific form and year.
Addressing payments or refunds.
If you owe money, it's crucial to pay as soon as possible. The longer you delay, the more penalties and interest will accumulate. If you're due a refund, the good news is, you can still claim a refund for up to 3 years after the original due date. So, if you've overpaid, you're not out of luck. Filing a prior year tax return might seem challenging, but with the right information and a systematic approach, it's entirely manageable. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the sooner you address any overlooked tax obligations, the better. Best of luck with your filings, and take care.